Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Grady-White 330 Express. The outside color is the Cape Gray hull. This is powered by twin Yamaha 425s. We have custom matched the paint to the gel coat. As we enter through the transom door, you'll see a shower, hot and cold. You'll see a really large refrigerated fish box with an insert you can slide in and out. Over here on the port side, you have access to your pumps. You'll see a cockpit door for the big fish and also a ladder that attaches so you can easily board through the cockpit door as well. You'll see down below you've got your water hookups, your raw water and fresh water. Here you'll have your live well, raw water, and spreader light controls. A live well that's lighted. Lockable tackle. Over here on the port side, lockable drawers. Three of those. Underneath, you'll have a Kenyan electric grill. We make our way to the helm area. You'll see plenty of seating on both sides, built-in cup holders. This boat does have the Helmmaster joystick with set point, control station with throttles, engine start, and you're going to have a Fusion stereo with Wi-Fi Bluetooth, trim tabs with indicators, and it's going to have the digital Yamaha gauges here on the side of the wheel. Your electronics can be mounted inside this box, which is electric. It goes up and down. With this top, you do have an opening window to get airflow through, and also opening up top as well. You've got storage netting for life jackets, double cushion, multicolored LEDs, speakers, and also a sure shade off the back of the hardtop. This also is air conditioned in here as well, and this flips up and makes an extra seat. I'm going to go down below in the cabin. Entering the Grady cabin, you'll see a very spacious area. Here as you come in, you'll have the helm air condition and cabin air condition controllers, and for your refrigerated fish boxes, you'll have controllers for those as well. Microwave, full sink, 2-burner stove. You'll have a flat screen television that pops out, and also another Fusion stereo control down below. You've got a refrigerator. Plenty of drawers for storage. You just push in and turn. Over here you'll see a very spacious area to sleep. A nice table to dine, also lowers. And you've got rod storage up top and access to your windlass rod and chain forward. Here you'll have a very spacious head area and also shower. And this boat has a mid cabin that you can sleep 2 more in there as well. And all your control panel is right here, easily accessible. That concludes the walkthrough of this 2020 Grady-White 330 Express. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.